What is up, you guys? It's Lex. Hope everybody's having an awesome day so far. Back with another fun little video for you guys. I'm actually in the Starbucks drive-thru right now because we have a 40-minute drive ahead of us. We're headed over to Simi Valley to visit our friend Chris at cmbuildz. He's our fabricator. He does all of our fab work at Speed Lab. So I'm taking my Evo manifold to him right now to fix and take you guys behind the scenes. And then also, we are trying to get some t-shirts and hats made for the shop before Mitsubishi Owners Day, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop by a print shop out there as well. So I'm really excited to finally get the new t-shirts designed and finally get those ordered. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We got an ice shaken espresso with pumpkin spice. Gotta be festive. All right, guys, we're pulling up to cmbuildz. We just got here. Parking right now. I've arrived. There's Chris's M3. I'll get him to show you guys that once we're done fixing the manifold. I don't know where he is.
Hey.
Hi. How'd you get that?
This just popped up out of nowhere. I just thought about that when you were filming. I'm like, okay. Okay, guys, we're here with Lex and we're gonna repair this exhaust manifold. It's a sheepy manifold. I don't know who made it, but they made it wrong. If you get close here and look, this is actually fused. There's no filler rod. So of course this was prone to breaking. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break this off. Look at how easy that was.
Dang.
And we'll just clean up this transition really well and take off the Cerakote. I'll put this on the lathe, clean this up, and then we'll just put that back on, and then you'll have a perfectly good manifold. And I guarantee this part won't break.
You guys always ask me about that custom dump too.
Yeah.
Courtesy of cmbuildz.
Look at that guy.
Look how sick that looks, you guys.
But yeah.
I almost don't want to coat it because it looks so good.
Right. All right, let's go walk to the lathe. Sorry, there's a mess in here, but this side's clean. So, and this is what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna weld on there. Just give it a nice clean. One more. So we're on my trusty Logan lathe. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna face this old flange for the exhaust manifold, clean it up, and basically give it a nice surface to re-weld. This thing's old. It's older than us.
It's vintage.
Very vintage. Alright, see that? And then I'm gonna come here. And that's it. So basically I face this flat and I face this area, and now I have a nice joint I can actually weld. Now I just gotta remove the Cerakote from the outside with the polisher, and then we'll be ready to weld. And that's it. So we got a nice reusable flange technically. Honestly, if I had these in stock, I would just give her a new flange, but I don't have this specific ones. Huh? This is an older one, yeah.
He's removing the wastegate.
Yeah, I'm gonna remove the wastegate just so it's out of my way and it's a little lighter. And then we'll clean this up and then start welding. Let's go to the polisher. See if I can do it on there. All right. let's start the welding process. A quick tip for everybody, if you do this at home, because you're gonna back purge this, just go ahead and throw some foil inside each runner so you can save on your purge. Just get the ball, get them like, you know, little balls.
Little balls.
Little balls. So now when we purge from this area, it'll fill this area so that it gets coverage inside as well, and you're not wasting a bunch of gas. So let's start the welding process. Putting the purge on, I have to block this part off with something that's not gonna melt. Because I have like these TIG aesthetic plugs. It's funny because people think you could just put this on there and it's not gonna melt. It's silicone, it's gonna melt. So you have to put something metal, or you know what I mean? That's not gonna melt. Silicone can go here because it's not gonna get as much heat. So it'll be purged this way, exit this way.
He's just doing some arts and crafts.
Oh, seriously. To purge, I have this TIG Aesthetics little diffuser, and then this is the screen. So when you purge, the gas actually flares out once it's inside there. See, people think that like it's quick. What do you mean? It's that much? Isn't it like a 5-second job?
You want it to break off, like mine did.
Break off, bro. This is what you want on a weld. You see the inside where I actually cleaned and welded. You see how it's fully penetrated? That means that joint, it basically is, it's one with the manifold. See, it's all the way in. So basically what you want, and that's why we back purge. Rule of thumb, like especially on manifolds and stuff, schedule material, you want to put argon inside the manifold as well as when you're welding on the outside, so it doesn't cause sugaring. Get our aluminum balls out of here. All right, she's ready to rock.
So he thinks that they probably added this part.
Yeah, so
it's a used kit, as you guys know, so I don't know what happened to it whenever we got it.
I'm pretty sure this was probably like they had a different flange for a different size turbo, and they added this little transition so they can add a smaller frame turbo, I'm assuming, because cheapy doesn't usually do this. And the funny thing is this material right here is like, it's almost like the wall thickness of exhaust tubing. I got a care package for you guys.
Ooh.
So
merch.
I don't know if Ronnie wears hats or not. Do you wear hats?
I'll wear hats.
Okay. And then medium and XL.
Yay! That's awesome. I'm 3. Nice car.
I can take you for a ride.
Let's do it.
It's pretty crazy.
Let's do it.
You really want it?
I'm down.
Okay. So with the JB4 system, the car, like if you drove it and got on it, it's only on flash power. So it only makes like 600. So until the JB4 sees operating temperature, That's when it gives you full power. That's the crazy part about the JB4 people don't realize.
Ronnie and I had a G80 very briefly for like 2 weeks. We didn't get to the point of modifying it, so this is my first time sitting in a modified G80. Damn guys, and it has AC. And it has AC. We're not used to these luxuries. That's sick.
Yeah, it's just everything like right there.
That's sick.
It's kind of crazy to think about a guy that came from Eclipses to fucking Evo, now fucking M3. It's crazy.
That's like right here,
like Ronnie
oh, I'm used to no AC, yeah.
Yeah.
I know, I'm like, wow, it has AC.
So I'll do like a third gear.
Jesus Christ. I couldn't even shut up, bro. I couldn't even shut up, bro. I'm like hanging onto this tripod for 2 minutes.
It's a different feeling, huh?
Dude, yeah. It's so smooth but nasty at the same time.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
That's nasty. That's nasty.
And look at those IETs. That's at 120 degrees, so it's already pulling timing.
That's wild. Wild.
See, Ronnie should have kept the G80. I told you. So I took Lex for a ride in my car. The car is equipped with a JB4 system, full port injection, flashed everything through MHD, and a JB4 back-end flash. The good thing about the JB4 is you can see everything on your phone. So like literally my log, it's on my phone.
That's crazy.
I can check everything. Boost if there's any timing correction. So you went in a car. You went in a car that is tuned JB4. How does it feel?
Nasty. Good nasty. You guys, that was nasty. Like that shit pulls. I was shocked. I wasn't expecting it. And like that's coming from someone who's sat in like 1500 plus horsepower GTRs and like 1000 plus horsepower tin can Evos. This thing is insane. I'm kind of like upset.
See, the JB4 is not bad, guys. Buy one.
All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap. Big shout out to Chris for giving me a ride and fixing my manifold. So hopefully next time we'll be back for a new custom manifold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have him call Ronnie.
You gotta tell Ronnie to come out here.
I know. I have to send Ronnie out here.
Yeah.
So, and he's making me regret my decision to tune the Supra on boot mod. So,
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Hey, we're switching. I'll get him to switch.
Get him to switch.
Yeah.
Look how good they look together, guys.
Yep, we're grandparents.
Yeah. Stop. They actually are. I'm kind of jealous, I'm not gonna lie. But like, I gotta have a baby now. Today.
Tell Ronnie.
I'm jealous, you guys. I regret selling my G80. That made me jealous. But manifold is finally fixed. I'm gonna head over to the print shop right now and see what I can do. So the same guy made Chris's t-shirts, so these are sick. So can't wait to rock these. He gave me a hat too. I don't know how I look in hat. I think I gotta rock it backwards, but I don't know. We have to play with that a little, but sick stuff. So huge shout out to Chris from cmbuildz. If you guys need any fab work done in the LA area, hit him up, you guys. He's awesome. But let's head to the print shop. All right, guys, finally got to the print shop. We're at Extra Fly Print. We're gonna be doing all of our new merch, so definitely let us know if you guys are interested in some t-shirts and hats. He has all the stickers are awesome. We should probably do some stickers. And then he has all the hats. These are pretty cool. I think you guys will like hats.
This is a really nice shirt.
Yeah, it's nice and light.
Yeah, and it doesn't really shrink as much as other shirts. This one is called Portland Company, and we use this for Paramount Studios. And this one also, like on the sleeves, it's really good. Like on the waist, it's really good.
I like that one.
And the neckline is really good.
We'll have some really cool Speed Lab merch coming very soon. I think I'm gonna do the hats for sure. I have to decide on the quality of the t-shirts we're gonna do, and then maybe some tank tops and stickers. But I want some stuff for the girls too. Just sat in the car. He does a lot of cool stuff, and I'm really excited to get some like new merch. Our merch is so old. He gave me some samples. I'm gonna go show Ronnie, and then we'll kind of see what goes from there. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the shop right now. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.